So in this lesson, we are going to continue discussing about the answering technique in paper 2, especially the essay. So first, let's start by analyzing the question. So I have this as my STEM question. I know that this diagram shows the condition of the town, and then these are the this is the stimulus together with the task word and the keywords here. So the first thing, when you look at this task word, normally we will talk about the good and the bad thing, the good and the bad effects of air pollution. But in this question, it is biased. Okay, it is biased towards the bad side. Certainly, we won't say that air pollution is going to bring any benefits to us. So I'm just going to focus on the bad effects of air pollution in the town. Now, I'm going to extract as much as information as I can from the diagram. Now here I see the car, I see a man running, and I see the exhaust gas being emitted from the exhaust pipe. So guess I need to relate it to air pollution. So certainly I need to have pollutants here. So the emission from the exhaust gas contains CO2, most likely, because it is a combustion of fossil fuel. I might also have nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, which are acidic. And then of course, combustion might be incomplete, so I have carbon particles. And then on the other side, I can see the gas being emitted from a building. I guess this could be the factory, and this factory is also running on fossil fuel. So the gas emitted might also contain CO2, NO2, SO2. Okay, together with the soot. Now we see a lot of buildings with glasses. We guess most likely they are using aircon, and aircon, as we know, some of them use CFC as the coolant. Okay, I guess these are the pollutants that might lead to air pollution. And then of course I need to talk about the effect. For example here, the carbon atom is going to cause haze. And the NO2 and SO2 is going to cause acid rain. And with acid rain, certainly it will lead to, for example, the corrosion of buildings. And then it might also cause the soil, okay, to acidify soil, causing the leaching of minerals from soil. Okay, so these two gases together, of course, certainly might also cause some health problem. Okay, such as asthma or bronchitis. Okay, so after constructing the ideas, let's look at the suggested answer. Now, we have mentioned the formation of haze just now. It is caused by the fine particles or the soot in the air. And then what is the direct effect of this haze? It is going to reduce the rate of photosynthesis. And then the second fact is about the formation of acid rain due to SO2 and NO2 emitted by the combustion. And you have to mention the word combustion of fossil fuel. So if we don't burn fossil fuel, most likely we won't get SO2 and NO2. And then this SO2, when dissolved in rainwater, is going to destroy the building by causing the surface to be corroded. And then CO2, yeah, we forget to mention about CO2 just now, right? So CO2 is also a type of pollutant in air. It is going to cause greenhouse effect. Now the CFC emitted by the air conditioning unit just now is going to cause the depletion of ozone layer. And then the direct effect of the depletion of ozone layer will be more UV penetration, causing the plants like the chlorophyll to damage, and then it is going to reduce the rate of photosynthesis. And then at the same time, the UV might also damage the eggs of amphibian. Okay, disturbing the balance of ecosystem. Now last one, we look at SO2 and NO2 again. If they are inhaled by human being, since they are acidic in nature, they are going to cause a lot of problems such as allergies or asthma or bronchitis to us. Yeah. So again, I don't encourage you to memorize the answer from books or from the answer scheme. Instead of memorizing, we better learn how to extract and construct the ideas from the stimulus given. Remember, stimulus is there to help you to understand the questions and to get information that you need for for this question. Try to label the diagram so that you are able to use those words to make your essay.